If you want an easy retirement, the time to think about it is way before you ever touch a rocking chair. Let's talk about 3 money habits that people who coast into retirement never, ever forget. Imagine 2 people starting at the same job in their 20s. They earn about the same, live in the same city, and both say they want to retire comfortably. Fast forward 40 years. One is stressing over every bill, afraid to check their account, wondering if they'll outlive their money. The other is traveling, spoiling the grandkids, picking work projects because they want to, not because they have to. Same income, same country, same economy. So what happened? It usually isn't some lottery win or secret stock tip. It's habits. Quiet, boring, stubborn little habits that compound over time until they turn into something huge. In this video, we're going to break down 3 of those habits. 3 things people who glide into retirement on easy mode never forget to do. And if you stick with me to the end, I'll give you a simple way to start putting all 3 into play this month, even if you feel behind. Habit number 1, they always pay their future self first, even when it's annoying, inconvenient, or feels too small to matter. Most people do money backwards. They get paid, they pay bills, they buy stuff, they go out, and then they say, if there's anything left, I'll save. Spoiler, there's never anything left. People who end up with an easy retirement flip that script. Every paycheck, before their money has a chance to mingle with bills, cravings, or Amazon, they peel off a chunk and send it straight to retirement, automation, or some kind of long-term bucket. It might be a 401k, an IRA, a brokerage, or a simple savings account at first. The vehicle matters less than the habit. Future self gets a cut first. Even when they're broke, even when they're paying off debt, even when it's just $20. Why? Because that tiny act rewires their identity. They stop being someone who hopes it works out and become someone who is always building a safety net in the background. Think of it as paying a non-negotiable bill to your 65-year-old self. The more you treat it like a bill that must be paid, the easier your retirement becomes. At the beginning, it might feel pointless. $10 won't change my life. But the habit isn't about the $10. It's about installing the system that I always pay my future self. Over decades, you increase the amount as your income goes up, and that's when compounding starts to quietly flex. The people who retire relaxed didn't just wake up one day and max their accounts. They started with something small and refused to break the pattern. Now, here's where they take it to the next level. They automate this so they don't rely on willpower. Willpower is great for the first 2 weeks of January and terrible for the next 30 years. People who retire comfortably don't wake up each month deciding, should I save this time? That decision is already made. Their paycheck hits, the system sweeps money into retirement and savings, and they learn to live on what's left. If you've ever had your employer automatically deduct taxes from your paycheck, you know how it works. You don't sit there crying over the money before it leaves. You just never see it, and you adapt. It's the same with retirement. Set up automatic transfers on payday, not random days in the middle of the month. If your company offers a 401k with matching, they crank that up as high as they can afford because it's literally free money. If they don't have access to a 401k, they set up an automatic transfer into an IRA or investment account the same day their paycheck lands. The key is this. They design their environment so it saves money for them. People who struggle often try to save with leftover money and raw discipline. People who glide into retirement decide to make savings invisible and automatic so that their lifestyle grows around what's left, not around everything they earn. Habit number 2, they never let lifestyle creep outrun their investments. This one is sneaky, and it's where a lot of people who look wealthy end up broke later. Lifestyle creep is what happens when you go from a $40,000 salary to $60,000, then $80,000, and every time your income goes up, your life quietly gets more expensive. The apartment gets nicer, the car gets newer, the vacations get longer, the subscriptions multiply. From the outside, it looks like success. On the inside, nothing has changed. No cushion, no real investments, no plan. People who retire on easy mode have a simple unwritten rule. Every time my income goes up, my investing goes up too. Not just their rent, not just their wardrobe, their ownership.